I wrote a letter for you, Ma'am Anjing. Di lang guys, kay Gobo ka, balik ba? There, Ma'am Anjing. Thank you very much for giving me such a wonderful life. And I remember when I was a kid, I don't know how to write my name. You teach me how to write my name. You're my first teacher. And I don't know how to pray to God. And you teach me how to pray to God. And you're closer to God. You always pray the rosary every night and day. And every Sunday you go to a mass and magkumpisal ka doon. And and you want me that I'm become with you, like you, that I'm closer to God. And and you teach me how to become a better person. Ma'am Angie, you sacrificed your life. You went to Alaskan Courage, marry American man, so that your plan that someday you can petition with us. Someday, and Gigi and me and your three daughters, lovely daughters, and can go there in the Alaska, go with you in the Alaska Anchorage. You will petition with us, Gigi and Chris, and we'll be together. We'll stay together. But your plan is not it's not come true because God has another plan with us. That's so very sad. Then your life there is like an hell. It's like a living hell because your husband Terry McDermott, he has a bad plan to you. He wants to in church with you. That's why you skip him. And sad to say, you don't have a stable job. Your job is fisherman and work at McDonald's as a crew, service crew, and naglilinis ka sa mga kalsada. Metro Ed. I don't know. I forget. Ma'am Anjing, thank you very much. You touch everyone's heart. Your brother Tio Makoy Tio loves you very much. Your sister Maripi and Caroline loves you very much, and your family and friends and relatives, they really love you very much. Because your heart is pure. You're so real. You are so lovable. You're such a person, a good mom. You're the best single mom I ever had. Then every time I have a facing my struggle, big problem in my life, you will always there for me. If I have a problem upside and downside moment in my life, then even though you're so far away, we are part away. Even though you're so far away, a million time, thousand times. Even though you're stay at far away places, a cold places, somewhere in the Alaskan Courage, then your surroundings, the black bear, the brown bear, and the white bear, and the husky dogs like wolf, it's so scary. Then you're you sacrifice yourself. You stay there at a very cold place, a faraway place. You stay alone. You become grow older. You stay alone. Then then the reason why you go to Alaskan Courage, marry foreigner, American man, because I remember before when I was a kid, I asked your mom, please don't go there and the Alaskan Courage. You stay with us. Then you tell me, I want to go there in the Alaskan Courage. For you have a for reason. First, I want you I want to give you a good food, delicious food to eat, to send you money, dollars, so that you can eat a food. What do you want to eat? Buy a foods, delicious foods to eat. Then second, you can buy expensive dress, a nice dress to wear, a clothes to wear. Then third, so that you can study in elementary, high school, college in the prestigious, expensive school, private school. Then so that you can pursue your study, you can finish your study in college. You can achieve your goals in life, your ambition in life. Then fourth, the reason why you go to Alaskan Courage is you want to have a comfortable life living hood, a comfortable home, because before when we will stay at the Tita Lutik house, your cousin, we will live there flood there until shoulder. Then no more Wi-Fi, no more light and water there. Then the house is very scary. There are white lady there. Then then we don't have a money to buy a food, a medicine. And we stop studies in grade one 3 times because we don't have a uniform, school supply, and uniform and food to eat, a baon. Then you will do everything, ma'am. That's why many people touch their heart because of you, because you're so loving and kind person. You're my hero. You save us. You went to Alaska Anchorage so that we live, and before we don't have a money to buy a foods, we don't have food in our table. Then we are patay gutom. That's why, the reason why you need to marry American man so that hindi kami mamatay sa gutom, para may ahon mo kami sa hirap at saka sa gutom. And Ma'am Angie, I remember, I asked Caroline, I tell Caroline, Tita Caroline, loy kami sa una kay patay gutom, may wala mi kaon, nakaunda mo eskwela, wala mi tanan, wala mi school uniform, school supply, wala mi pangbaon. Then Tita Yen told me, Caroline, buang yung mama, bugo siya, sana bilin na mo sa kuan sa disability, gipa-adapt na lang mo para makakaon mo glami, maka eskwela pa mo kay naipamilya ra mo adapt ninyo. But your plan is not like thinking of the Caroline. You're so different, ma'am. You fight yourself, then you tell me, Anna, if your problem, you fight, don't surrender, fight lang. If you have a problem, go to church and cry and ask the Lord for help. Then, Ma'am Angie, you teach me because you want I'm a better person when I'm grow up. Mama Angie, I was 11 years old and Ikris is 5 years old. Gigi is 12 years old. When you left us, you go to Alaska Anchorage. And for me, you will sacrifice yourself to give us everything, to make our life easier and magaan. And binigay mong lahat na wala sa atin, ma'am. Pagkain, magandang tirahan, schools, para makapag-aral kami, and damit kasi wala tayong apat dati, ma'am. Lahat binigay mo. Tiniis mo lahat. Kahit mawalay ka pa sa amin, kahit hindi mo kami makita, kahit hindi mo kami magabayan sa paglaki namin. Tiniis mo lahat para lang mabuhay kami. Mamanching ko hindi ka napunta sa Alaskan Courage. Ako, Angie J. Chris, ikaw, sana matagal tayong mamatay. Sana dati may tulong yung gobyerno, may sila for peace. Dahil single mom ka, may 3 anak ka, Ma'am Angie J. Chris, so qualified ka talaga single mom. Sana may financial silang tulong pera. At saka may single mom na tulong financial. At saka dati may boys town na at saka girls town. Para doon muna lang kami ibilin, ma'am, kasi doon sa girls town makakain pa kami ng 3 beses sa isang araw, tapos makapag-aral pa kami, tapos makasakit pa kami, may doktor na magpunta doon para i-check up kami sa mga sakit namin. At saka hindi kami malungkot doon, ma'am. Happy kami kasi magsama kami 3 magkapatid, Gigi, Anna, ni Chris. Sana may boys town, girls town. Sana may financial ang gobyerno dati. Sa single mom katulad mo, ma'am. Ikaw lang mag-isa, kawawa ka, ma'am. Tapos 3 kaming anak mo. Buti hindi ka nabuang, ma'am. Iba pa yung ina, nabuang na, pinatay na lang nila yung 3 anak nila at siya napakamatay. Kasi na-depressed na, frustrated na. Diba? Paano mo kinaya lahat yun, ma'am? Nag-isa ka lang, ma'am, single ma'am. Tapos wala kang bana, yung mama, papa mo matagal nang namatay, maagang namatay. Yung kapatid mo naman, mga brother mo, walang work. Tapos kasi hindi sa nakapagtapos ng pag-aral nila. Tapos yung Caroline mo, sister mo, nasa London, gusto niya tumulong kaso wala siyang work. Tapos wala siyang choice kasi ayaw ni husband niya nga si David Donovan. Yung British yun, ayaw niya. Masama rin ugali eh. Ayaw niya tumulong ka tumulong siya sa atin, ma'am. Kaya ma'am, napakahirap ng buhay natin. It's like a rat, mahirap pa sa daga. So I wish someday there's a helping hands for government to a single mom like you financially, money, and also for the poorest people like us. We don't have a food, we don't have a clothes to wear, we don't have a house to stay, and a good house to stay, comfortable house, and also we don't have money to buy medicine if we got sick. We don't have money to to send a school a baon or buy school uniform or school supply. And ma'am, you give it all. You will do everything. You sacrifice your life. Pumunta ka sa Las Cancun's, ma'am, nakipag-asawa ka ng Amerikano. Tapos, ang kapalit noon, ginhawa na nakamta namin ang buhay mo, ma'am. Sad to say, you cannot go back here in the Philippines. You cannot visit us until you become old, growing old, then until you will die. Last September 13 this year, 2025 at 3 p.m. the Alaskan Courage. And we also feel guilty because you have a 3 kids and Gigi Chris. We want to take care of you, ma'am, to give you a support, to give you a love. Chris told me, napakasakit lang isipin, ate, pumunta ako sa iba-ibang bansa para maglaga ng matanda, samantalang ina ko hindi ko malagaan. Isa siyang matanda. Nag-isa lang siya sa Alaskan Courage, napakalamig na lugar. Tinis niya na ilang taon yun kasi gusto niya umuwi but wala siyang passport. Gusto niyang umuwi, wala siyang pamasahe, walang tulong sa gobyerno natin. Mayaman ang gobyerno natin, maraming mga politika, mayaman, martista, pero walang tulong. Minsan humingi ako ng tulong doon sa vlog ko, sa YouTube, Facebook, pero hindi sila nakinig sa akin. Nobody will listen to me and give money, help, para makauwi ka, ma'am. Inutil ang gobyerno natin dahil sa isang katulad mo na matanda na walang kakayahan na maglukat ng passport, ticket. Sana mga sa mga embassy sa Alaskan Courage na mga Pinoy, tinulungan ka, ma, para makauwi ka. Kasi alam mo, ma, almost for 36 years we don't meet each other in the personal. You can go home to your hometown place sa Pilipinas, sa Cebu. Kasi dati, before, I remember the government, we don't help us, and now your situation, nakakaawa ka, wala pa rin tulong sa gobyerno. At saka, ma'am, I have a car, golf car, automatic, and magaling na ako mag-drive nito. Isang hand lang ginagamit ko. And I use one hand. I have a Corolla Altis, a white car, ex-taxi. And I know to drive a manual car, ma'am, because I already studied in the driving school in the manual, ma'am. Then how I wish I can drive a car. Then I'm a driver, you're my passenger. Then we'll go to the SM Ayala City, Cebu, and Ayala, and SM City, Seaside, Ayala, and G-Mall, and big Gisano White Gold, big mall here in the Philippines. And we go there and we see a big Christmas tree, and also the plaza. There are big Christmas tree out there. Then we will watch movie. Then we will go to the food court. We will eat a lechon pak show and the munggos na mismo na mga gulay, utan Bisaya, at saka we eat the lechon pak show and the steam rice, your favorite seafoods. Then we will eat delicious foods, and we will buy expensive clothes and sandals and bags. And we will wish that Temerpi go with us, and your all grandson, si Sean, Lance, Tuski, and Clark, Jansen, and your three beautiful, lovely daughter, and Gigi, Chris, and me. We will be together in the mall. We will eat there in the food court, in the delicious food, and we buy expensive clothes to wear and bags and dress. And all of that we will only wish and dream, because it will not come true, because we will not go home, ma'am, because we don't have a passport, and also plate sa aeroplano. That's why you will stuck there in the Alaskan Courage, in the far, far away places and cold places, and scary. They're scary. There's big bear there going to your home, black bear, brown bear, and white bear, and also scary wolf like husky dog. And mom, I would like you to know I'm very happy and that you give me a birth and I was living here in the earth. You give me a birth. Without you, um, I'm not here also in the earth. Mom, if I'm die and if I live again tomorrow, I want you will still my mom. But I wish on that time we'll not separately to each other. We will be together until we'll grow old and die. Mom, just please wait for us and Gigi Chris and your whole family, friends and relatives, and your all grandsons. Someday will know, I know that we will meet again in the souls, in the kabilang buhay. And on that time, we will never separately to each other. We will live unhappily forever and ever. Mama G, I would like you to know that you give me a strength. You're my strength, my hero, and you. That's why I'm stronger because of you. That's why I have a high confidence because of you. Mom said to say I can cook you a cake. I'm delicious. My cake is delicious. I want to taste it for you. And also Gigi, she will know how to cook cake and masarap din siya magluto ng ulam. She will delicious. Her food is delicious. Ma'am Angie, I really thankful that you given me such a faith and nice day also. Thank you for sending me private school in Salazar and, and high school Ma'am Angie in and high school Ma'am Angie in in Southwestern University in Cebu, from somewhere in the RLU, and Cebu Institute of Technology in the CIT, and also Gigi in San Carlos, Ikris in high school, elementary, she studied at CIT, and high school, Immaculate Heart of Mary, and UV, and CIT, and also St. Paul. And Gigi, she studied San Carlos, Dosai. I studied at college in San Jose, and me I studied in I studied in in Tawan Tangims. I studied in Vélez College in Ramos and also in Asian College. Thank you very much, ma'am. Because of you, Gigi, she's bright person, woman. She finished his study. She can achieve her goal. Unlike me, I'm graduated in college in computer science. I'm graduated also in college. Thank you also, ma'am. Thank you very much also, ma'am. That